Well, this is a Uganda and Jamaica collaboration. See?
It's such a production.
Yeah. Yugi.
Say it again, say it again,
say it again. Class 256 Kampala.
Say my name, say my name, say my name.
Straight to Jamaica.
Say it again, say it again, say it again. Yeah. Aye, aye, aye. Sure that oli mulungi nnyo mwana wa mama, teri akusinga nze sinnamulaba nze, ontudde ku mwoyo, onsula ku mwoyo. Njagala ono muna Uganda because where she born from, azalibwa Uganda. Njagala oli Miss Uganda because where she born from, azalibwa Uganda. Oh, muna Uganda, Miss Uganda.
Quality you possess, cause no stress. Separate you from the rest, you're mine. You hold on strong to the wind and the storm. Keep you secure and warm, yeah. Tender love and share and care, baby, I'll be there. What blazing ecstasy, your body next to me. It's your heart that I crave. Kings and queens, ain't no slaves. It's for your happiness I'll sing. You touch me deep within.
Njagala ono muna Uganda because where she born from, azalibwa Uganda. Njagala oli Miss Uganda because where she born from, azalibwa Uganda. Oh, muna Uganda, Miss Uganda. Oh, muna Uganda. Oh, Miss Uganda.
Any man can love you right for a night, but I'm gonna love you out of sight. Baby, you're my guiding light. I love you to the highest heights. Your love is rare, I see it clear. Don't ask, I'll be there. Baby, you're the one for me. Can't disagree. Sound of your voice, let my knees get weak. I can't even speak. And when I look into your dark brown eyes, I'm hypnotized.
Njagala ono muna Uganda because where she born from, azalibwa Uganda. Njagala oli Miss Uganda because where she born from, azalibwa Uganda. Oh, muna Uganda, Miss Uganda. Oh, muna Uganda. Oh, Miss Uganda. A Bracknell woman, a Tourist woman, an African woman.